In the bustling world of social media, where trends come and go in the blink of an eye, a secret game has emerged on Instagram, capturing the imagination of users everywhere. This clandestine adventure, known only to a select few, revolves around a series of cryptic posts and hidden messages that lead players on a digital scavenger hunt. To access the game, one must first follow a mysterious account that appears sporadically in the feed, often disguised as an art collective or a quirky meme page. This account, shrouded in anonymity, drops hints in the form of riddles or visual puzzles, enticing curious followers to decipher their meanings. Each post is a breadcrumb, leading players deeper into the game's intricate web. Once a player deciphers a clue, they are prompted to engage with a specific hashtag, which unlocks the next stage of the game. This hashtag, often a quirky phrase or an inside joke, connects players to a community of fellow adventurers who share their discoveries and theories. The excitement builds as participants share screenshots of their progress, forming a vibrant tapestry of collaboration and competition. As players delve deeper, they encounter challenges that test their creativity and wit. Some tasks require them to create original content, such as a unique photo or a short video, while others demand that they explore their surroundings to find hidden symbols in the real world. Each completed challenge reveals more about the overarching narrative, a story woven through the posts that hints at a grand prize awaiting the most dedicated players. The thrill of the hunt, the camaraderie among participants, and the allure of the unknown make this secret Instagram game an exhilarating experience. It's not just a game, it's a journey that transforms the mundane scroll through social media into an adventure filled with mystery and connection.